Hi, I would like to talk about the browser. We develop a lot of new functionalities in this tool. Basically, in this first tab, we can find the Explorer. Here we have the list of all the objects that we created. Uh, Here is exactly the same as in RhinoGold 2.0. Now, in real-time render, we include a lot of materials, more than 200 materials. We have the stones here. Okay, glasses, metals, pearls, plastics, wood. Okay, metals we have hammered, polish, sandblast. Okay. The interesting thing is we can drag and drop any material. Okay, in our scene. Also, we can do it with the gems. Okay, we can select diamond, for example. Okay, and one interesting thing is now the material has physical properties. It means if we create a report about our stones, automatically get the density, the weight of the stone from the material. Okay, it means now we have diamond, we create the report. Okay, we have diamond. Okay, and the weight. And obviously if we select, for example, a ruby, we apply ruby now, the report automatically show the components of ruby, and obviously the weight is completely different. The size is the same, but the weight is different. Okay, this is really interesting. Obviously we can add more materials as we can do in RhinoGold 1 and 2.0. Okay, but now you can drag and drop it and so on. Other interesting thing is these materials now are controlled by RhinoGold. Then in the future, in the next version of RhinoGold Render Studio, automatically will migrate all the materials to Brazil materials. Okay, then it's not necessary to apply again all the materials to do a render. Okay, this is really interesting. Other interesting thing is the library. The library now we can see all the files that we have in the folder. Before just we can see RhinoGold files, okay, but now let me show you. We can see all the files here. For example, we can see PDF files and we can double click directly and see the training guide, okay, for example. Also we can see videos. Okay, we can double click and see videos. Okay, sketches. Okay, we can use image. For example, this is really interesting. We have this image and we can drag and drop directly the image to the viewport. Okay, and then use this image to create our models. For example, let me show you that we can come to artistical and change the transparency, lock it. Okay, and then use this draw to model our design. Okay, for example, we will create something like that. Okay, this is really interesting. Other interesting thing about this tool is, let me unlock. Okay, is we can drag and drop on a view. For example, if let me show you this case, we have two views here. We can drag and drop this on this view, and we can drag and drop this to this view. Okay, this is really interesting. Now we can use these pictures to model our design. Okay, and obviously as we can do in RhinoGold 2.0, we can select any RhinoGold file, okay, and insert on the document. Okay, if we drag and drop, we have the option to open, insert, import or attach. Okay, well, that's it. Thank you.